My name's Seth Amoah, founder and owner of the Juice Bar Juice Company, located at 6009 Mansion Boulevard, Pennsauken, New Jersey. I got my start juicing early on. My dad is from Ghana and my mom is from Beaufort, South Carolina. So they had a huge role and a huge influence on what we ate, what we drank coming up. Sourcing quality produce is everything, everything. I mean, to us, it's the backbone of our business. You have to have quality produce made in this quality juice. Sometimes when you get them from the farm, well, when you get them from the farm, they don't have stickers on them. And they don't have wax on them either. So they're a lot faster and easier to clean. Sometimes when you gotta get them from the market, they have that wax on them. So you gotta make sure that you get that wax off. Well, cold press juicing is simply when you take your produce, grind it up, and extract the juice from the produce using no heat. So this is our cold press juicer. So it's made up of two parts. The first part is the hopper, where you actually throw your clean produce in. You have a blade in this hopper that's spinning at a real fast pace, so as soon as your produce goes and hits this blade, it crushes it up. After the produce is crushed up, it collects in this bag right here, thus extracting the juice. It collects in this juice pan and then pours into my container. No heat at all. So as these apples and these cucumbers are cold, when the juice comes out, it's gonna be cold as well. Turn this part on. We recommend people drink cold pressed juices because it's the quickest way to get nutrients in your body. I mean, it's hydrating. If you didn't have your daily intake of greens, you can take a green juice. If you're feeling like you got a little scratch at the back of your throat, you can take a ginger shot. In the blade, there's oils on the skin of all our citrus, limes, lemons, oranges, that's not too good for your stomach. So we don't wanna crush our lemons up. We're just gonna throw them in the bag so that they squeeze with the apples and the cucumber. And there you have it, fresh cold pressed juice. No sugars, no preservatives. You just saw us make it. We strain it, strain everything. Most important part, we taste it. That's perfect. That's perfect. It's a family affair. Me, my wife, my daughter, we started it. You know, we're just grateful and thankful for, you know, these soon to be 8 years that we're embarking on. And hopefully we get 80 more.